6. This is Teacher Queen. Welcome once again to our another lesson, another learning, and another math problem to solve. And for today's lesson, we will going to discuss about solving routine and non-routine problems involving area of composite figures form. And to be updated with our next lesson, please subscribe by clicking the bell button. Thank you. After going through this lesson, you are expected to find the area of composite figures formed by any two or more of the following: triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and semicircle. Solves routine and non-routine problems involving area of composite figures formed by any two or more of the following: triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and semicircle. So first, let's have a review of the different formula for area of plane figures. So the first figure we have here is a square. So the formula for this will be area is equal to side times side. It can also be in S times S or S squared. Second figure is the rectangle. So the formula for this is length times width. It can also be by L times W or LW. The third figure is a parallelogram. So the formula for this will be base times height, or it can also be B times H, or it can also be BH. The fourth one is a triangle. The formula for this will be base times height over 2, or it can also be B times H over 2, or it can also be like this, BH over 2. The fifth one is a circle. So the formula for this will be pi times radius times radius, or it can also be written as pi times r squared. The sixth is the trapezoid. So the formula for this will be base 1 plus base 2 over 2 times height, or it can also be written as b1 plus b2 over 2 times h. So let us read this problem. To promote recycling, the Sangguniang Kabataan or SK members of a barangay decided to beautify the 30 feet by 20 feet children's playground by covering the floor of the playpen with cut pieces of tires except the area of 11 feet square sandbox. What is the area of the portion that will be covered with pieces of tires? So let us answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the shape of the playpen? So the playpen shape is in rectangle. Number 2, what is the shape of the area that will not be covered with pieces of tires? So that is in square. And number 3, what is as in the problem? So we are looking for the area of the portion will be covered with pieces of tires. So ito yung playground. So ito yung playground. Ibig sabihin, ang lalagyan nila ng tires is yung nasa paligid. So, ito naman yung sandbox na hindi malalagyan. So, ang tinatanong dito, ano yung area ng portion na malalagyan ng pieces of tires? Now, let us analyze and identify the figures in the problem. So, we have here figures of rectangle and square. So, the black shaded part is with a length of 30 feet and a width of 20 feet. While the square with brown shaded, is with 11 feet measurement. So, kung mapapansin natin, meron tayong mga line. Okay, sa bawat sides ng square. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, that means the measurement of the sides of this square is what? Is equal. So, meaning 11 feet yung side nito, 11 feet din ito, same with other sides. Okay, so, we're going to find the area of the two figures. So, first, let us get the area of a rectangle. So, from our review, the area of a rectangle, or the formula that we're going to use, is L times W, or length times width. So, what is the length? We have 30 feet, and the width is 20 feet. So, we have 30 times 20. The answer there is 600 square feet. How about the area of a square? So, the formula we're going to use here is area is equal to side times side, or it can also be written as S squared. So, the measurement of each side is 11 feet. So, we have here 11 times 11. The answer there will be 121 square feet. Okay, so we already have the area of a rectangle with 600 feet, and the area of a square with 121 feet. So the question here is that the final answer? Not yet. So we from the problem, we are looking for the area of the portion that will be covered with pieces of tire. So kailangan dapat tatanggalin natin si area of a square. So anong gagawin natin? We're going to subtract the area of a rectangle and area of a square. So we have here 600 feet minus 121 feet. So the answer there will be 479 square feet. So the total area of the playpen that will be covered with pieces of tires is 479 square feet. Have another example. So we have here a swimming pool, 44 meters long and 17 meters wide, has a footpath of 2 meters surrounding it. What is the total area of the footpath? Okay, so this drawing will be our guide in answering the problem. Okay, so first, let us analyze the problem. So in number 1, to analyze it, we have the step 1. We have to understand. So to understand, we should know what is us and what are the given. So what is being us in the problem? We are looking for the total area of the footpath. So yan yung hinahanap natin. We are looking for the total area of the footpath. Okay, itong gray shaded part. Okay, another one. What are the given? So we have here 4 meters long and 17 meters wide. Okay, let's move on to the second step. Or we have here the plan. So how are we going to solve the problem? So first, we have to draw the figure of the swimming pool and the footpath around it. So ito na siya. Another one, we have to solve the area of the swimming pool. So that is the white shaded part. So kailangan natin i-solve muna to. And then another one is we have to solve the area of the swimming pool surrounded by footpath. So ibig sabihin, itong buo na to, kasama ng swimming pool at saka footpath, kailangan natin makuha yung area. Okay, so let's move on to the third step. Okay, so the third step is to solve. So we're going to show our solution on how to get that problem. Okay, so first, ang gagawin muna natin, we have to get the area of the swimming pool. So what is the length of the swimming pool? We have 44 meters and the width is 17 meters. So that is in rectangle. So the formula in getting the rectangle is area is equal to length times width. So the length is 44 meters and the width is 17 meters. So 44 times 17, the answer there is 748 square meter. Okay, so we have now the area of the swimming pool. So next, we have to get the area of these two figure. The bigger figure and the smaller figure. So, pagkasamahin natin siya. So, that will become area of the swimming pool with footpath. So, ang gagamitin natin is the same. So, magiging area is equal to length times width. So, we have here 44 plus 2 meter plus 2 meter times 17 meter plus 2 meter plus 2 meter. So, saan mo nakuha yung 2 meter na yun? Okay. So, from this 44, para makuha natin yung side nito, okay, so, i-add natin yung meter dito at saka yung meter doon. So, that is equivalent of 2 meters according to this. So, 44 plus 2 and another plus 2. So, that is 48. Okay. And then, sa 17 naman, to get that one, so that is 17 meter. Ito siya, diba? 17 meter. So, mag-add tayo ng another 2 meter, and then mag-add tayo ng another 2 meter. So, we have here 21. So, 48 times 21 meters. So, the answer will be 1,008 square meter. Okay. So, now, we are going to subtract the area of the swimming pool from the area of the swimming pool surrounded by a footpath. So, para ang makuha natin, kasi ang hinahanap lang natin yung area ng footpath, which is the graded, the gray shaded part. Okay, so ima-minus lang natin siya. We have here 1,008 meter minus 748 meter. So, the answer will be 260 square meter. So, the area of the footpath is 260 square meter. So, let's have example number 2. Ella has a rectangular sheet of paper with a length of 16 cm and a width of 11 cm. She cuts out a small rectangular piece of measuring 7 cm by 6 cm at one corner of the paper. Find the remaining area of the paper. Okay, so here is the figure of this problem. Okay, so let us analyze this problem using the steps. Okay, so we have the step 1 is to understand. So what is being asked here? So we are looking for the remaining area of the paper. So nung ginupit niya yung small rectangular piece, hanapin natin ngayon yung area ng natirang papel. Okay, so what are the given here? So in a rectangular sheet of paper, we have here the 16 cm length and 11 cm width. Okay, we have this one. Another one is a small rectangular piece which is 7 cm by 6 cm. Okay, so let's have the second step. We have to plan. So, how are we going to solve this problem? So, we have to draw the figure. So, we have this one. We're going to find the area of the whole paper cut or whole paper. Ito po. So, kunin muna natin yung measurement ng papel. Another one is to find the area of the part to be cut. So, ito naman yung hahanapin natin. Okay, this one. So, we are going to find the area of this cut part of the paper. Okay, so let us solve by showing our solution. So, una, kukunin muna natin yung area ng buong papel without cutting the small rectangular piece. Okay, so since rectangle siya, so we are going to have length times width. Okay, so the length here is 16 and the width is 11. So we have 16 times 11. So the answer there will be 176 square centimeter. Okay, next one is the area of part to be cut. So ito na siya, yung maliit na rectangular piece. So since rectangle siya, so gagamit ulit tayo ng area is equal to length times width. So we have here 7 as the length, and the width is 6. So we have here 7 times 6. The answer will be 42 square centimeter. Okay, so we have already the area of each rectangular piece of the paper. So therefore we can now subtract the area of the part to be cut from the area of the paper. So that will be 176 minus 42 centimeter. So the answer there will be 134 square centimeter. So the answer, or the remaining area of the paper, is 134 square centimeter. Let's have example number 3, and that is to find the area of the colored region. Okay, so the colored region here is in pink color. Okay, so we're going to get that. Okay, so what are again the steps in solving the problem? So we have here the step 1 is to understand. So what is being asked here? So we are going to get the area of the colored region. Another one is what are the given. So the dimensions of the rectangle is 16 by centimeter, or 16 centimeter by 11 centimeter. Another one is the dimension of the triangle with a base of 4 centimeter and the height with 5 centimeters. Okay, let's have number 2, or second step, that is plan. So we have to find the area of the whole rectangle. Okay, so that is our plan. Another one is we're going to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so let's have third step, which is to solve. Okay, we're going to show our solution. So first, let us have the area of the rectangle. So the formula is length times width. So what is the area, or what is the length? We have 16 and the width is 11. So we have 16 or 11 times 16. So the answer will be 176 square centimeter. Okay, so let's have the area of a triangle. So from our review, the formula that we're going to use here will be 1/2 base times height, or it can also be base over or divided by 2. Ayan, okay. So we have here, the base is 4 and the height is 5. So we have here 1/2 times 4 times 5. Okay, so what is 4 times 5? So we have 20. So we're going to divide it by 2. So the answer there will be 10 square centimeter. So burahin natin to. Ayusin natin. Okay. So kung gagamit tayo ng base times height divided by 2, okay, it can be like this. So base over height. Base times height, so we have 2. Okay, so our base here is 4 times height with 5. Okay, over 2. So we have here 20 over 2. So the answer there is the same as 10 square centimeter. Okay, so now we can now able to find the area of the colored region. So by what? By subtracting the area of a triangle to the area of rectangle. So we have here 176 minus 10. So the answer there will be 166 square centimeter. So that is the area of the colored region.